Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use AI scene recognition on the HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. So what AI scene recognition is in the camera app, you have the option to enable AI scene recognition, and it's going to detect what the main subject of the photo is, for example, maybe a plant or food or even a landscape. And it's going to tweak some of the settings, like exposure and things like that, depending on what the subject is, to make the photo even better. So to enable this option, what we're going to do is go to the camera app and then tap this AI icon on the top left. So Master AI should be on. And now, if let's say we have this plant right here, and if I point my phone at the plant, I'm just going to make the thing pop up. And here, as you can see, it says Greenery on the bottom and middle of the screen. So as long as you're pointing at Greenery, it's going to recognize that or anything else. And once you take a photo, there will be a slight difference. So this is a photo taken, for example, without the AI recognition, and this is the photo taken with AI recognition. So I can kind of see the difference. I don't know if it's visible on the camera, but the stones are maybe kind of more focused on. Everything is a lot more centered, and that's pretty much what this thing does. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.